Why noise?
Hey, Kitsky?
No.
I assume you know who I am.
You're a gangster.
Now on DVD.
What the hell is going on?
Two enemies will team up to face the most dangerous criminals in the city. The cops.
They can't allow any of us to leave here alive.
Ethan Hawke. Lawrence Fishburne. Assault on Precinct 13.
When this is over, you're going back to jail.
I'd like to see you come try.
I was a hell of a handicapper, I can tell you that. I had it down so good that I ran paradise on earth. I had one of the biggest casinos in Las Vegas to run for 10 years.
Money.
You know, if I did it, I'd have to run it my way.
Nobody's gonna interfere with you running the casino, I guarantee you.
You're gay. Make a lot of money for us. Keep a good eye on it.
All right. Look at this place. It's made of money. What do you think about me moving out here?
I just gotta tell you, it's no joke out here. We're gonna keep a low profile. Right off the bat, they don't like guys like us.
You like your money a lot.
Yes, a lot.
Yeah.
I want to settle down. I want a family.
You got the wrong girl.
You'll be settled for the rest of your life.
You don't know me. What do you know me 2-3 months?
They had it all. They ran the show. And it was paradise while it lasted.
They found guys hidden in the desert. That's no good.
We got a problem.
He doesn't listen to me. Maybe he should get lost for a while. Take a
Can't
vacation.
make it any clearer, son. I would just get out.
I tried to do everything for you, even though I knew deep down inside you would bury me.
I buried you. You buried yourself.
I have to be able to trust you with my life. Can I trust you? Can I trust you?
I will go to the FBI. I will go to the police. I am not protecting you anymore.
You want me to get out of my own town? You only exist out here because of me.
Weasel.
You want to get rid of me? Here I am. Go ahead, get rid of me.
Casino.
Do you long for the slow pace of the simple life you once knew?
How can you sleep, Fleischman?
Own the first 3 seasons of Northern Exposure, now on DVD. Relive the moment you first met the unforgettable cast. In Season 1, Rob Morgan and Janine Turner.
I think there were a couple of air pockets you missed back there. Let's look for them on the way back.
The sometimes dramatic, but always offbeat humor continues in Season 2.
Forgive me, Father, for I've sinned.
And now, presenting Season 3, the most honored season of this award-winning series.
Would you just smell me?
What? Reunited with the quirky, endearing citizens of Sicily, Alaska, in one of TV's most original and acclaimed series ever, Northern Exposure, Seasons 1 and 2, now on DVD. Season 3 coming soon.
Warning. Based on pictures testing rated PG-13. This one has been. That's not